Can you spot the lie? Welcome to Fact or Fake. We've got 15 mind-blowing statements that will challenge everything you know about world geography. Let's begin. The country of France has the most time zones of any country in the world. Fact or fake? Fake. France has a massive 12 time zones, but Russia ties with the United States at 11, and Russia is significantly larger. Wait, hold on. Russia has 11 and the US has 11. France has 12 due to its overseas territories. Fact. My mistake. France actually has 12 time zones. The fact is correct. A little-known French territory, New Caledonia, is almost a full 12 hours ahead of mainland France. All deserts on Earth are hot and covered in sand dunes. Fact or fake? Fake. Deserts are defined by low precipitation, not temperature. The largest desert in the world is the cold, ice-covered continent of Antarctica. In some hot deserts, like the Sahara, less than 15% of the land is actually covered by sand dunes. The Nile River is the longest river in the world. Fact or fake? Fake. For decades, this was the accepted fact, but recent, more accurate mapping has shown the Amazon River in South America to be slightly longer, stretching over 6,992 kilometers compared to the Nile's 6,650 kilometers. The Amazon also holds the record for the largest volume of water discharge. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain on Earth. Fact or fake? Fake. Everest is the highest above sea level, but Mauna Kea in Hawaii is the tallest from base to peak, measuring over 10,210 meters from its base on the ocean floor. Most of Mauna Kea is underwater, but its total height is far greater than Everest. The African continent is mostly located in the southern hemisphere. Fact or fake? Fake. In reality, over 2/3 of the African continent lies north of the equator, in the northern hemisphere. This is why many northern African countries experience tropical or subtropical climates, not just temperate ones. You can see the Great Wall of China from space with the naked eye. Fact or fake? Fake. While it is incredibly long, the Great Wall is generally too narrow and its color blends with the surrounding terrain, making it impossible to see from orbit without magnification. Astronauts confirm this is one of the most persistent myths. Greenland is geographically larger in area than the continent of Africa. Fact or fake? Fake. This is a classic map distortion error due to the Mercator projection. Africa is actually a massive 14 times larger in area than Greenland. This optical illusion has been confusing students for decades. The Caspian Sea is the world's largest lake. Fact or fake? Fact. The Caspian Sea is technically the world's largest inland body of water. Although it is salty, it is classified as a lake because it is entirely landlocked and does not connect to the world's oceans. Its water volume is more than the Great Lakes combined. The United States is the only country in North America that does not use the metric system. Fact or fake? Fake. While the US is the most notable country to stick to the imperial system, the country of Liberia in Africa also officially uses the imperial system for measurements. Liberia adopted the US system due to historical ties. All of the water in a river flows in a southerly direction due to gravity. Fact or fake? Fake. Rivers flow to the lowest point, regardless of the compass direction. Both the Nile River in Africa and the St. Johns River in Florida famously flow north. The direction of flow is dictated by the land's topography. Australia is the only country that is also an entire continent. Fact or fake? Fact. Australia is the smallest continent, but it is the only one occupied by a single sovereign country. Its continental landmass is often referred to by the region's name Oceania, which includes thousands of Pacific islands. Brazil is the only Portuguese-speaking country in South America. Fact or fake? Fact. Due to the Treaty of Tordesillas that divided the New World, Brazil is the only South American country whose official language is Portuguese. The rest of the continent is overwhelmingly Spanish-speaking. Alaska is the westernmost, easternmost, and northernmost state in the U.S. Fact or fake? Fact. Alaska is the northernmost state. Its Aleutian Islands cross the 180th meridian of longitude, placing some islands in the eastern hemisphere, making it technically the easternmost state as well. There are only 24 official time zones in the world, one for each hour of the day. Fact or fake? Fake. Due to half-hour and even quarter-hour offsets adopted by countries like India and Nepal, the total recognized time zones is well over 24. These fractional zones help align civil time more closely to solar time. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Subscribe and hit the bell for more fact or fake challenges every day.